Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you fix WhatsApp media not downloading. If your WhatsApp media is not downloading, it is usually due to weak internet connection, insufficient storage space, or incorrect date and time settings. First thing, you want to go to settings on your device, and here you just want to make sure to go ahead and look for the network and internet section. And over here, you just want to make sure to have a quick look at the internet so you can just switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. That can also definitely help you out. Next, what you also want to make sure to do is here you could also free up space. So WhatsApp cannot download files if your phone storage is full. You could go ahead and look for settings in your device, look for storage over here, and make sure that you have enough storage as well. You could delete unnecessary photos and other apps and applications as well. And if you are still unable to fix, you might also want to make sure to check your date and time. Sometimes if you have these automated date and time, that can also cause issues. So just go to settings on your device, locate app, locate WhatsApp, actually locate. You just want to make sure to go ahead and locate system over here. And there you just want to make sure to go ahead and navigate and just go ahead and make sure to fix date and time. So this way you'll be able to fix WhatsApp media not downloading. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.